Now, a new era in the career of Pinoy pop rock royalty Yang Constantino feels familiar yet a bit different. This as she rewrites, rearranges, and reimagines songs from her own music vault. And who better to tell us more about this chapter in her life than, of course, the superstar herself. Good morning to you, Yang.
Hi po, Miss Christine.
Wow, pat yourself on the back. Good morning.
Good morning. Nalito po ako sa dalawang mic. Sorry. Good morning, everyone. Good
You know, for you, you can have 2, 3 mics, 4 mics, anything that you want. Okay, so let's kick it off. I mean, exciting time is actually happening in your life. Actually, this EP was released in July pa,
Yes.
way back when. But how did it come to your mind? Or how did you even imagine that you would be able to own your own music? Or what gave you the idea that, I think I need to own my music?
Siyempre po, lahat po tayo dumaan dun sa pandemya, no? And that's the time po na inisip ko, hindi naman po ako bumabata na I have to find ways para magkaroon po ako ng passive income.
Yeah.
Though nagbe-business na po kami ng asawa ko, pero parang kung feeling ko at that time, is this going to be the new normal?
Yes.
So parang naisip ko po yun, maybe I should own my songs now. Like
Okay.
sila Sir Ray Valera. And
Yes.
I'm just so blessed dahil naintindihan po yun ng Star Music when I talk to them.
Yes, I mean, you make it sound so easy, but it really isn't. It really isn't, because it is really the dream, of a lot of our musicians here to actually own their own songs.
Yes.
But it doesn't really happen. I mean, there's only a few Taylor Swifts in the world. There's only a few young Constantine that can actually do it.
Mahirap po, syempre, lalo na po tayo, culture natin Filipino, yung utang na loob,
Yes,
we
yes.
don't want to hurt our bosses.
Of
So, sobrang careful ko rin po talaga nung ginawa ko po yung desisyon na yun, na hindi ko sila masaktan and maintindihan po nila ako. Sometimes you just have to, to jump.
Yes.
Kahit nakakatakot, if you feel like yun yung makakabuti sa'yo, magugulat ka na lang din that yung mga tao, they will understand. And
Yes.
that's what happened to me. My label, Star Music, understand lahat ng sinabi ko sa kanila.
Yeah, because you're with them for 17 years.
17
I mean,
years
it's not easy also for them. I mean, kudos on them, to be able to make this happen for you. I mean, because the business is still business and you are still young. I mean, I can make so much money from your songs, diba? But I mean, kudos on them to be able to let you go, diba? So, okay, so now you have your music. What was the process like after?
Ano po,
Ano yung mga okay, you have your music, you can reimagine, but okay, you need to sing it different. What are the...
wala naman po kasi nung nakuha ko na po yung mga kanta, parang ang pinaka naging kasunduan po namin talaga, at parte rin po ng contract, yung original sound po, sa kanila po talaga yan.
Okay.
So sa part ko, okay, so original sound sa kanila. So pwede ako gumawa ng bagong sound.
Kumbaga parang cover.
Yes. Parang
cover.
yung mga
You
sarili
can do a
mong
cover
kanta.
of your own songs, okay?
Nakaka-inspire po talaga yung ginawa ni Taylor Swift for me.
Yes.
Grabe ginawa niya yun. Pero sa reimagine po, ayoko din naman na sobrang ibahin to the point na yung mga nakikinig before, parang,
They
"Anong
can't relate
ginawa
to it."
niya?"
Yeah.
Yes. So parang gusto ko po na medyo totoo pa rin dun sa hinihingi ng song, yung beat niya, yung gano'n. Yung ibang elemento lang po talaga, binago namin ni Miss Ria Osorio.
Aside from that, did you have to change any of the lyrics? Did you have to include a certain word or
Yeah.
So that was also one.
For one song na sinulat ko for Miss Jaya, yung Kasalanan
Yes.
Ko Ba, may mga lyrics po ako na binago doon. Kasi nung sinulat ko po yung, syempre mas bata ka pa.
Yes.
So, hindi ako naiintindihan. Parang yung word dito, pwede ko pang mas hasain pa.
Kumbaga, you had to change it just to suit your need, but it wasn't really part of the contract that you need to change some of the...
Hindi naman po.
Okay, so interesting that you did say that, because your songs, okay, well, let's go through a little bit. You have Salamat, Lapit, Ako Muna, and then you have Pag Ayaw Mo Na, and then the one you mentioned of Jaya. They all come from different albums.
Yes.
I mean, they span, I don't know, you have a 2007, a 2009, 18, and 2019. And then yet, how were you able to make it sound the same?
Yun nga po
Diba?
yung magic eh. Gusto ko mag-thank you kay Miss Ria Osorio kasi po siya talaga ang magic na yan. Sabi ko sa kanya, Miss Ria, pwede po ba na pag ginawa natin to, gusto ko parang magkakapatid yung kanta.
Oo.
Parang nanggaling sila sa isang era, pero hindi.
Yes. And what was that like for you? I mean, as you were re-singing all of these old songs? I mean, nostalgia ba? Parang I can't believe I'm
Siyempre,
actually
pinakinggan ko rin po paano ko kinakanta before. And
Okay.
narinig ko na rin po, grabe, sobrang bata pa talaga ng boses ko sa album na to. And I'm happy naman po na habang tumatagal, yung pagmamature naman ng boses ko, hindi siya awkward pakinggan. Pero hindi lang, pagka pinapakinggan mo talaga yung dati, parang, ganun pala ako kumanta before. Ganun.
Yes. And of course, this all comes, you, how do I say this? I mean, you went through such a difficult time. I don't know if we can talk about that, but you did go through such a difficult time in your life. And because of that, it has inspired you to continue on. Because when we go through tough times, sometimes, and as a singer-songwriter, you need the inspiration. You need to be able to write your songs. Some people can't even write your songs. And maybe you hit a point wherein you couldn't.
Actually po sa buong career ko po sa 17 years, meron po talagang ganun na may mga times na hindi ako makasulat kapag may nakikita ko na ceiling sa creativity ko or may pinagdadaanan ako. And even now, so ako po, kailangan po talaga tulungan mo yung sarili mo bilang artist. So find ways to inspire yourself again. Pagka kailangan ng katawan mo magpahinga, maybe that's the time. Ito yung season to just absorb. So may pag time ulit ng production, produce. Pag hiningi ng katawan mo to rest. And now ako po talaga, napaka-importante po ng mental health. So 4 years na po ako nag-therapy and just recently nagpa-check din po ako ng hormones ko. So apparently, pati po lang yung dopamine ko, hindi lang siya mental health parang siya, brain health din.
Yes.
Kasi hindi po pala nagpo-produce yung katawan ko talaga ng dopamine. So meron po akong tinitake ngayon na hindi naman gamot, parang supplement po para magkaroon ako ng dopamine. So kailangan natin yun we have to help ourselves kasi walang gagawa nun for us. And if we want to live parang a quality life, kasi pag inisip ko yung mom ko, ito yung gusto niya for me.
Yes.
Kasi my mom passed away. So parang siguro gusto ni mama na hindi ako mag-live na parang in the darkness o lagi akong malungkot. Gagamitin ko excuse, si artist ako kaya ako melancholic. Pero ang pangit ng ganung life kasi God is blessing me.
Yes.
Bawat taon, ni-exceed niya yung expectations ko na parang, Lord, ito lang ito yung ginagawa mo. Yet, may nafe-feel akong mga ganitong darkness. So I really knew na kailangan kong tulungan yung sarili ko.
And I guess because of all the darkness that you've gone through and how blessed you are that you've been able to see the light. So much so that you were able to come up with this Reimagine album.
Yes.
And from this, you have, how many songs were you able to get from your catalog?
Ano po?
90?
Siguro po mga nasa 90 to 100 songs.
Okay, from then, how many albums or EPs are you planning to release? I mean, why choose first these songs? How did you choose these songs to start off with? And of course, the next few albums.
Gusto ko po talaga kasi bawat volume ng Reimagine, parang magkakapatid yung kanta. So for this first 5, gusto ko po na medyo mellow, medyo kalma. For the next one, tinatawag ko ng parang medyo orangey, mustard-colored songs. So parang gusto ko mas lively naman yung next. So iba-iba po. Kasi kinakategorize ko rin po yung mga kanta ko kung ano yung magkakapatid. So ganun po yung bala ko. So 4 more volumes. So parang tigli-5 po lalabas ako.
Oh, so nice. Thank you so much, Yang. Thank you so much for joining us. Maraming salamat. All the best.
Maraming salamat po for having me. Thank you, everyone.